My dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. Suppose that log x minus 2 base 10 plus log y base 10 is equal to 0 and root x plus root y minus 2 is equal to root of x plus y. Then the value of x plus y they are asking what it will be. So first expression, what is given to you? Log of x minus 2 base 10 plus log of y base 10 is equal to 0. So can be written by me like log of x minus 2 base 10 is equal to minus log of y base 10, which can be further simplified by me log of x minus 2 base 10 is equal to log of y to the power minus 1 base 10. That means x minus 2 is equal to y to the power minus 1, or 1 upon y is equal to x minus 2 it will be, or y is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 it will be. Till here hope you guys would have got my point. Now let's make use of this to solve the second expression, that is root x plus root of y minus 2 is equal to root of x plus y is given to you. So can be written by us as root x. Root y can be written as 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to root of x plus y can be written as 1 upon x minus 2. So it will be becoming root x plus root over 1 minus 2x plus 2 divided by 4. It will be becoming x minus 2 is equal to root over x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. Now let's multiply it by root x minus 2 throughout the expression. So root x multiplied by root x minus 2 plus root over 5 minus 2x, root over 5 minus 2x will be becoming what? Root over x minus 1 the whole square it will be. That means root over x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x plus root over 5 minus 2x is equal to x minus 1 it will be. Now squaring on both the sides will be getting x square minus 2x plus 5 minus 2x plus 2 times the root over x square minus 2x multiplied by root over 5 minus 2x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 it will be. So x square and x square will be getting cancelled over here. Minus 2x and minus 2x will be getting cancelled over here. 1 will be cancelling the 5, 4 will be remaining. So we would have to divide it by 2. So 2 minus x plus root over x square minus 2x multiplied by root over 5 minus 2x is equal to 0. Now let's proceed further and see what can be done by me. 2 minus x is equal to minus times of root over x square minus 2x multiplied by root over 5 minus 2x. Whole squaring on both the sides will be getting x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to x square minus 2x multiplied by 5 minus 2x, and that will be becoming x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 5x square minus 2x cube minus 10x plus 4x square. So finally what will be achieved by us? We'll be getting 2x cube, then 4x square plus 5x square, 9x square. 9x square minus sign plus x square minus 8x square. Then minus 10x plus 10x minus 4x. So plus 6x it will be, plus 4 is equal to 0 will be written by us. Now guys, let's divide it by 2. So x cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 will be achieved by us. Let us suppose this is f of x written over here, a cubic polynomial whose constant term is 2 we are knowing. So factors of 2 we would have to compute. Factors of 2, what all things you are knowing? Plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. Now let's see if f of 1 is becoming 0. So f of 1 will be becoming 1 minus 4 plus 3 plus 2. That is no way equal to 0. Then f of minus 1 will be checking. Let's see whether if it is becoming 0. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 plus 2 will not be equal to 0. Now let's see f of 2 whether it is becoming equal to 0. So yeah, it would be becoming equal to 0. It will be 8, then minus 16 plus 6 plus 2. So guys, this is 8, 8, 8, 16 minus 16, 0. Since f of 2 is 0, x minus 2 will be the factor of this polynomial. X minus 2 will be the factor of f of x. And since we got the factor of f of x, I could factorize it further to get the other factor. So do we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder? Division algorithm I could adopt, or synthetic division I could adopt, or long division method I could adopt. But the easiest way is the synthetic division or the division algorithm. So let's see the division algorithm. X minus 2 is the factor. I could generate a polynomial using its factor. I would have to multiply it by x square. So I will be getting x cube. Minus 2x square will be generated, but I want minus 4x square. So I would have to generate minus 2x square extra. So x minus 2 I will be multiplying with minus 2x. So I will be getting minus 2x square plus 4x will be generated. I want 3x only. So I would have to get rid of x over here. So I will be multiplying it by minus 1 to get rid of x. With the help of x minus 2, minus x will be coming and plus 2 will be coming. So I got what? X cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 2. So let's take x minus 2 common over here. So we may write it like x minus 2 multiplied by x square minus 2x minus 1 as the value of x cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 2. And we would have to make it 0. So I made it 0. Now I would have to factorize this quadratic. So to factorize this quadratic, I would have to apply the splitting of middle term is not possible. That is quadratic formula. So we would have to write it like, first of all, x is equal to 0, or x will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, that is 4 plus 4 divided by 2. So this could be the value of x. So either x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1 plus or minus root 2. Hope you guys would have got my point. So either x is equal to 2 or 1 minus root 2 or 1 plus root 2. Now guys, most important thing we would have to take care of, that log is there and log of x minus 2 is there and log of y is there. So x minus 2 should be greater than 0 and y should be greater than 0. That means x should be greater than 2. So let's see whether we are getting x value greater than 2 or not. So 2 should not be considered by you. 1 minus root 2 should not be considered by you because root 2 is 1.414 approximately. So this is only the value of x I could consider over here. But y is what? 1 upon x minus 2 is the value of y. So what would be the value of y corresponding to this x value? 1 divided by 1 plus root 2 minus 2 would be the value of y over here. So we'll be getting 1 upon root 2 minus 1 over here. 1 rationalizing, root 2 plus 1 will be written by me in numerator. Root 2 plus 1 by will be divided by me in the denominator. Y will be becoming root 2 plus 1. But what is asked to you, root 2 plus 1 is the value of y, which is greater than 0, and root 2 plus 1 is the value of x, which is also greater than 2. This is greater than 2 because this is 1.414 plus 1 is 2.414 approximately. They asked me the value of x plus y. So x plus y will be becoming what? 2 root 2 plus 2 or 2 plus 2 root 2. So is there any option like this? Let's see. 2 root 2 plus 2. Yeah, 2 plus 2 root 2 is the right option over here. Hope you guys would have understood it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.